from yesterday class. If you have any queries, ask me. No query? Okay, I'm going to start new session now. So today we start from this pattern, piercing line pattern. Before starting this pattern, I want to tell you about the another thing. When you find any big candlestick, and are bullish or bearish, the 50% level of the candlestick is act as a support and resistance. 50% level of this candle act as a support and resistance. Okay, it's clear. 50% level support and resistance. 50% level support and resistance. So when you understand this concept, then you can understand this concept. Okay. So if you find in the chart and the 50% level you plot a line, it will act as a support and resistance. Before uh, studying this pattern, we must recognize that if there is a working or not working. Look at this is the pattern. This is the candlestick, and we start line from here to here. The 50% level is on the middle point. So we plot a SNR level on the 50% level. It will work as a SNR level. Look at right close on this level, and this candlestick rejected from this level. So we don't know this candlestick going to up or down. Look at. Is it working? 50% level. This is the live example. So how 50% of level this candlestick work as a support and resistance, and this is the real example in the live market, and it means now this example clear here. Everyone can understand this example. Just I plot a 50% on. Look at how this candlestick work. So in the piercing line pattern, we take 50% line SNR level from here to here. So this is the way when this bullish candlestick after this bearish candlestick cross the 50% line, then we understand, then we can say this is the piercing line pattern. So here I draw a piercing line pattern. Opening price is below this closing price. This is the forex pattern, but in the IQ option, it's not necessary. In the IQ option, it's not necessary. The bullish candlestick can start from the below. If you find like that, if you find like these candlestick, these are all the, we can say this is a piercing line pattern. So plot 50% line, this candlestick cross the 50% line. Now we can say this is the piercing line pattern. The gap in the prices in the IQ option, in the binary option is not necessary. Okay, it's not necessary. So this is only one level. This 50% level must be crossed by this candlestick. Then we can say this is the piercing line pattern. Moving on to the next slide. Right. When we're coming from downtrend and we find a big bearish candlestick, and after that we find this bullish candlestick which cross the 50% level and close above the 50% level, then we can say this is the piercing line pattern. How piercing line pattern can trade it? It's like as a trade as an engulfing candle from this new price open from this level, and it must come down, touch the key level and reject from key level, then we can trade as a bullish candlestick. Okay, so if you find there is no any sign here, price come down and price not rejecting from the level key level, so we wait for the candlestick. Okay, now on the next slide you find this retracement candlestick which come down, but at the end it close above this level. It means now this pattern is completed. Now we can trade for the call option. On this candlestick, you can place a call option here. This candlestick must go up. But if this candlestick close on the opening price of this candlestick, then you wait for the next trade. When this candlestick, you call option here, and now candle close on this area. If candlestick close on this area, then don't follow next candlestick will go up because there is a key level. So the key level, so next candlestick will go down. If this candlestick close above the level, so a breakout happen of this from this level to this level. So now price must go down. So price must go down, touch this key level, and again go up. When a breakout happen, always price come to the key level and going up. So we always look at the breakouts also after a pattern or with the pattern. After this pattern now unfolded here, this pattern works here. Now moving to the next topic. Okay. So new uptrend established here after this piercing line pattern because this piercing line pattern works and new uptrend established. In the live market, you can find like this pattern. After that, in this slide, I write down everything how to trade this piercing line pattern. It's written clearly. You can read again and again and remember these rules in your mind that when a piercing line appear, how we trade. After that, as you learned before, a bullish engulfing and the same concept for the bearish engulfing, but this is a bearish pattern and the bullish engulfing is a bullish pattern. So but the concept was of trading was the same. So that's in the piercing line pattern and the dark cloud cover. Now we are going to learn about the dark cloud cover like the next slide. The pattern of trading is same, just follow these same rules in the trading. Moving to the next slide. Okay. The same pattern, just is its opposite. 50% line on the bullish candlestick. It must cross this bearish candlestick. Must cross 50% level. It can be closed on the 60% level. It can be closed on the 70. Can be closed on the 80. There is no any problem. But if closed above the 50, that we cannot consider as a dark cloud cover. Or in the piercing line, if next bullish candlestick close below the 50% level, we cannot consider as a piercing line pattern. Moving to next slide, look at here a pattern appeared, 50% level crossed. Now it confirms that this is a dark cloud cover. After dark cloud cover, we find a retracement candlestick, look like that. Sometime you find a retracement candlestick, sometime this candlestick touch this key level and go down. And look at on this slide, like that. Sometimes price opens from here, touch this key level and go down. Sometimes you find a retracement candle. Same for the piercing line. Same for the piercing line. Sometimes you find a retracement candles and sometimes you find price touch this key level and go up. It means there are two scenarios. If you find price touch this key level and going up, if you understand, you can place call option here. If you not understand, leave this candlestick. When closed, after this candlestick, you trade on the next candlestick. So here there are two scenarios to trading the dark cloud cover on this way, also on the previous way. So after, if you find this candlestick, you can also place a put trade after this candlestick. Okay, next candlestick. Here candlestick stops because of this key level. A small bullish candlestick stop on the key level and close as a weak bullish candlestick, and also it touches the upper key level and reject from this key level. That's why next candlestick going down because the gap filled by this sellers, because there is a reversal point, reversal area, reversal sign. So that's why new candlestick going down. New downtrend appeared here. So now we're going to the live chart and we follow this pattern, these two patterns, piercing line pattern and dark cloud cover. Is it working as we studied? You cannot say this is the piercing line pattern because the first candlestick 50% level must be crossed by the bullish candlestick. Okay. In this way, the first candlestick does not cross. It's below the 50% level. It's not a piercing line pattern. We are finding the examples. You can say this is a dark cloud cover, okay? Because 50% level is here, but it appeared in the downtrend. When it appeared in the downtrend, the way of trading is changed. I will teach you after this pattern. Okay. 50% level crossed, a new candlestick appeared. It means now when this candlestick come to this level and reject from this level, then we can trade. Now this level crossed, but there is another level reject from this level. That's why this pattern now next one. Okay. There is another level. You can check each and every level. Every time it is working. So this level now working here. That's why this candlestick going down. But this level crossed 50% level crossed by this candlestick. But at the above there was another key level. That's why this candlestick going down. We trying to find the correct uh, dark cloud cover and piercing line pattern. This is the piercing line pattern. You can say this is the piercing line pattern. Okay. This is the 50% level crossed by this candlestick. I think this is the 50% level. Okay. Next candlestick come down, touch key level and reject from key level going up. You can trade this candlestick also and you can trade this candlestick also. This is a live example. And we're finding another examples. This is the engulfing, not a piercing line. And if this candlestick give us a clear sign that the 50% level crossed, so we can understand this is a dark cloud cover. So 50% level is crossed in this candlestick. 50% level is crossed. Okay. So after this candlestick, you wait, it give us a sign. This is the continuation pattern of the this downtrend, small downtrend, minor downtrend, next candlestick going down. This sign is a continuation. When I teach you other patterns, you will understand this is the continuation sign. So after this sign, you can trade as a put option. But in this area, this candlestick shows a bullish engulfing candlestick. That's why this candlestick going up. This reject from this key level, but now this pattern shows as a that this pattern is bullish engulfing. That's why this candlestick going up. If there was not any bullish engulfing candlestick, this candlestick must go down. So when a new pattern formed, you always leave the previous pattern and follow the new pattern. So here new pattern formed and you can trade as a bullish engulfing as per the rules. Okay. This is the bullish engulfing. And look at, you can say this is the dark cloud cover, but there is a wick. So this pattern does not convincing us that this is the dark cloud cover. You don't don't drape on this pattern. This is not a dark cloud cover because this is a wick above. This wick is too much above. So this is another candlestick. You can say this is the piercing line pattern. Okay. 50% level, this is okay. So this candlestick, when you wait for this candlestick going down, a breakout happen. After breakout, wait for the next candlestick, again a breakout happen, then you can trade for the next candlestick. But if when touch this key level, so leave this pattern at this stage. When you cover all the patterns, then you will understand how we trade this pattern. Just we are analyzing the simple patterns rules. After simple patterns rules, I will tell you how we, when these conditions form, how we trade. Look at on the this breakout, this candlestick going down, reject from this candlestick and going up. When you found this piercing line pattern, it's going up. When come to the key level and reject from key level, you can place a buy option here. It's not necessary the first candlestick can be a retracement candlestick. Maybe after some time, after 15 minutes, after 20 minutes, it comes to the key level, and from the key level, it must reject and then next candlestick will go up. So this is the rule. This is the dark cloud cover. Look at how dark cloud cover working. This wick is not bigger. This is convincing that this is the dark cloud cover. On the 50% level, this is the 50% level. When this candlestick reach and reject from this level, now you can put option from here. Don't put option on this candlestick after this candlestick, because this candlestick does not touch this level. This candlestick touching the key level and reject from key level. It's a sign that sellers are still active. That's why you can put option from here. We are finding another patterns. Dark cloud cover. No, it's not convincing that this is a dark cloud cover because this wick is too much high. You can say this is the piercing line pattern, okay? Because this wick and this wick showing that the pressure from the both side. Buyer's pressure also, this is, you can count this is a buyer's pressure also, because the candlestick is very strong. 50% level, reject from 50% and reject from this level, closes above, you can trade for here. Look at every time reject from this level and going up. Some concept you cannot understand at this level. After some classes, you will understand how to trade these all patterns. Just understand this basic concept of the pattern. When we cover all the pattern, I will again teach you how then you combine these all patterns, each and every pattern, then you will understand. Because you still not understand about the spinning top. Here we found a engulfing pattern. This is not engulfing, this is the outside bar. Outside bar found. We found outside bar. After that, we find a spinning top. Then how we can treat him this candlestick? So when you complete all the patterns, then you will understand. Look at this is the dark cloud cover. You can say this is the dark cloud cover because it crossed the 50% level. There is no upper wicks here. So after 50% level, you found a price rejected from 50% level. Okay, this is 50% level. Don't leave the two candlestick. When this candlestick touch this area and this area and this area, this candlestick rejected from two times, from two key levels. Look at from this key level also and this key level also. After that, you follow the pattern and this candlestick going down. If we say this is the piercing line pattern, if we calculate this candlestick with the level, okay, this level 50% is crossed. Now we can consider it as a piercing line pattern. So now forget this pattern, follow this pattern. Every time this candlestick cross the 50% level. Okay, after 50% crossing, wait for when the rejection come and look at this candlestick going down, reject from this key level, place option, place put a call option from here. This candlestick going up. So these are the examples about the piercing line pattern and dark cloud cover. Now it's your work. You understand about you practice on the live chart and find these patterns and send me pictures on this group, on this link group. All of you send me pictures of the dark cloud cover and piercing line pattern on this session group that I can understand. You all member participate here. Don't send me separately. I'll send on this session link group. Okay, so I will understand that you are finding right or not. Okay, now on these two patterns, ask me questions if you have any doubt about these two questions that I can clear. So one by one, ask me. Yes.
I've got some questions.
Yes.
First of all, when you say a big candle, you mean a very strong candle or an unusual candle?
Yes. It's depend upon the both candlesticks. Okay. It's depend upon the both candlesticks. The how I'm drawing here this candlestick. If you find this bearish candle, if you find what happened. No, I don't know what happened with farmhouse. Will I clear it first? This is one candlestick, and you find another. My mouse does not working. I don't know what it is. Okay, wait 1 minute. I don't know what happened with mouse. So it's not necessary that if you find these two candlesticks, it's depend upon their bodies. If the first candlestick is similar and second candlestick just cross the 50% of this candlestick, you can follow. If above the 50%,
No. I mean when you say that the 50% of candle is SNR level.
yes.
In big candles, which candle do you consider as a big candle, and the 50% of these is a SNR?
First candle of pattern. This first candle we consider 50% level of first candle, not second candle. This first candle we consider 50% level of first candle. In the piercing line pattern, the first candlestick. Okay? All the first candlestick. Don't follow the second candlestick 50% level. In this area, when okay, this I don't know what happened with computer. Yes, this first candlestick 50% level. Okay, and
Okay.
in the dark cloud cover first candlestick, Polish candlestick 50% level. Because we compare with the first candlestick, not with second candlestick.
Okay.
This first candlestick 50% level. Okay.
Can we apply these patterns in the middle of a trend?
Yes.
Or we have to wait? Oh.
When this pattern appear everywhere, the trading of this pattern is with same rule. If it unfold, if it works, follow the pattern. If it does not work, follow the trend or previous reversal pattern. When you find middle of the trend, you follow the. If not work, follow the first reversal pattern or which trend is running. Follow the trend only. Okay.
The last one is
yes.
when we would you please change the slide?
Slide.
Yes. When we see a retracement.
Yes. If you see a retracement, then wait for the retracement. If retracement candlestick close above the key level, then you can place a call option or put option as per setup. If you find in piercing line, then call option. If you find in the dark cloud cover, then put option.
Okay.
Because it's a beginning. These are the beginning classes. That's why only I am telling you wait for the retracement candlestick. When you clear all the patterns, then I will give you education about the how we understand this is the retracement candle can happen or this is the rejection. After rejection, we can put the trade or place the trade. So this is
actually my
yes,
problem is
yes.
solved.
You will be cleared in the next sessions.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how many times we can use this level maximum?
When market is running from here to here, these market creates many more patterns. Okay. Follow the most recent patterns. If you find no price action in the past, okay. If you find this candlestick and there is no price action in the past, then follow the 50% level. Okay. These SNR levels only work for one time or two time. After that, it can be broken.
Okay.
But when broken again, if again broken, it means now it's getting weak. So only use the recent SNRs. I will teach you all the techniques about the SNR, how to find the recent SNRs slowly. I will give you all the examples. If then you will be clear. Because if today I give you 10, 20 techniques about the SNR, so some SNR techniques you will remember, but some you will forget. So slowly I will give you more and more techniques about the SNR. Yes, another.
Okay, sir.
Please ask question. If you don't ask, you will be not clear. Ask me, talk with me. Yesterday I told you that before starting the session, you must read the piercing line pattern and dark cloud cover as you generate the questions in your mind. Then you can ask in the session. So if you're not asking me, I think you are not cleared, because I know the psychology of the students. They're not asking the question, it means they are not clear. So question is must. Just confirm your question, just confirm your what you learned from me here. If you clear, just ask me. I think all are the clears. So this is the
Yes,
pattern
sir.
for today, these two patterns. So practice now. You learn 4, 6, 8 patterns. So when you trade on the 8 patterns, capture the pictures and send me a screenshot those of the pictures, those of the trades, that I can understand that you are getting my points, you are following my rules on the patterns. So you have to must trade on these patterns, these 8 patterns. So you can find 20 to 30 trades in the day, in the 1 hour or 2 hour. So please start your only 50% level is the key level. 50% level is the key level.
Sir, I want to
Side
ask
and
one question, sir.
yes, 1 minute. Yes, 50% level of the first candlestick. Okay, first candlestick, 50% level. Yes, ask me.
Sir, in engulfing or
Mhm.
piercing or dark cloud, sir. Uh, okay, I'm marking this 50 level percent.
Yes,
I traded, sir. I practiced it also.
yes.
Sir, my problem is sometimes these retracement candles, reject from that level, sir.
Mhm.
After reject, it have to mean if you take uh, bullish candle. I mean, okay, sir. Dark cloud cover. Here, after dark cloud cover, a retracement candle have to become, sir. If it reject that 50 that key level,
Mhm.
then next candle should be bearish candle.
Yes, it's depend upon the where this retracement candlestick closed.
Means
If
if
this retracement candlestick closed uh, this level, like this level, so there is a big space. And uptrend is if very strong, so buyers can fill this gap to till to this area. Sometimes you find two retracement candlesticks. Sometimes you find only one retracement candlestick, and sometimes you find no retracement candlestick. On rejection you find. So it's depend upon the trend. If trend is very strong, so follow the trend. When this key level come to this price come to the key level, then start your trading from the key level. If you start trading from this area, so 50% chances maybe this price going down or maybe this price going up.
sir, the same thing is
Understand?
happening with me, sir. I'm failing here.
Yes, say yes,
Uh,
but follow the
I'm
trend also. If trend is weak, so you can trade from here. If trend is weak, if this bullish
sir,
trend is for 4 to 5 candlestick, not a strong candlesticks, this is a minor trend. If there is a minor trend, then you can follow the you can put up trade here. But this uptrend is coming from 1 hour or 15 minute or 20 minute or 30 minute. It means this is a strong uptrend. So then you can follow the key level. If price touch the key level and reject and close right on the key level, then you place a trade. Understand?
okay, understand. And one more thing, sir.
Yes.
Uh, Sometimes at key level, I mean at SNR level,
Mhm.
candle closing at the exact key level, sir.
Yes.
Sometimes it's rejecting, I mean coming down, and sometimes it's
Mhm.
I mean continuation happening.
Yes.
So how can I find it, sir? It's a continuation candle, or it's a uh, there is a no, I mean
Yes.
no
Yes.
sign of
I understand. I understand.
rejection and anything.
I'm giving you an example. If you find a wick on the both side, it means this candlestick now weak. Okay. If you find
Okay, sir.
two wicks in the same candlestick, it means now this candlestick is a V. If you find only wick from the below level, okay, it means now
Okay.
there is no wick. It means now this candlestick is strong candlestick. So depend on the candlestick. If you find two wicks below and after, okay, so then you can place a portrait. If you find only one wick from the downside and there is no upper rejection, or the upper rejection is smaller than the tail, if tail is bigger and upper rejection is smaller, then it will continue above.
Okay.
I'm trying to, if my mouse work. So if you find this candlestick, okay, but this is the this wick is greater and this wick is smaller. Okay, so from here, its chances that price maybe go up because this wick shows the buyer pressure. Okay, the buyer pressure is too much high. So in this area, we find only a small wick, and the body is relation to the wick, relation to the body, and relation to this wick. When you find buyers 1 point, this body second point, and this wick not convincing us. This is a similar wick.
Okay.
So that's why sometimes price going up. But if there was a strong trend in this scenario, that then next price will go up. But the trend is very weak, trend is minor trend, minor uptrend, then it must go down. It's depend upon the trend. Okay.
Okay, sir. This is
Understand
the problem,
now?
sir. In trending market, these rules
Yes.
are different, and in
Yeah.
ranging market, rules
Rules
are
are
different, sir.
different. You understand when you look at the market, how market is behaving, how market is running. If ranging market, it means there is no power. Okay. In the ranging market, always
Yes,
price reject from the some key levels. Okay. So in the trend
yes,
market,
sir.
market follow the trend. So this dark cloud cover pattern is not a strong pattern as the bearish engulfing pattern is a strong pattern. So bearish engulfing pattern is too much stronger because bearish candlestick engulf all this candlestick. It means the sign that now sellers are strong. But in this dark cloud cover, only 70% sellers are strong, but still buyers are active. So that's why sometimes it's not working here. You follow the trend. If our trend is strong, then next candlestick maybe go up. So don't risk on this candlestick. If you say, if you look at the sign that price going up, touching key level and rejecting, going up, touching key level, rejecting, then you place a put option. If you in the first 5 seconds, if price going up, crossing the key level, then don't trade as a put option. Understand now?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
understand.
Okay. Another.
Uh,
Sir,
Hmm.
also color changing key level we consider dark cloud.
Yes. If you have a color change, it means this is there is the line, there is the uh, levels. Okay, because color change. Sellers start from here and here. So this is the zone now. Sellers zone. When price come to this level, if from any level, from 5 minutes later, 15 minutes later, 20 minutes later, it when come to this level, it must be rejected on this area.
Okay, clear.
Okay. Here, look at color change. Color change, it means this is the area. If you find wicks on this candlestick, place another key level on this level. Now this area is a ranging. So when range, this is the range. So when price comes to again with this key level, it must reject if like that. Okay. So the next candlestick will go down from here. Understand? If broke this level, so a breakout happen when candlestick come to this level, touch this key level and go up, then trade. Okay, this is the same.
Okay.
Okay, another.
Sir, would you please send these photos to the group?
In this video, I'm going to send. When it complete, convert it will be converted in the MP4. I will send it. Okay.
No, these slides,
These
these
slides
patterns. Yes.
I gave you in the book.
Okay.
Okay, these patterns are in the book. You can read there. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish this session and I will start another session. So this video, when done, I will share with you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.